Hi everybody, I'm Mark Hammersley with NSI Solutions. Thanks for checking in today. Today I'd like to describe a new product line that we're offering for certified reference materials for microbiological testing, and they're marketed under the trade name MicroGel. MicroGel actually has some meaning, micro for microbiological of course, but the gel refers to the matrix we're using to stabilize the bacteria, and it's a very unique proprietary process that we've developed here. Simultaneously, we're able to quantify the bacteria and keep them in a very viable state for a long period of time, up to a year in a normal freezer. The product line is broad-based for environmental testing. It includes 4 different strains for typical coliform testing. This includes E. coli, Pseudomonas aeruginosa, Enterobacter, and Klebsiella. We also carry Enterococcus and a strain for HPC testing for drinking water labs. Today what I'd like to do is demonstrate the use of the E. coli standard that is formulated between 1,000 and about 1,200 CFU per pellet. It's a unique product because we've certified it by multiple methods, and we provide the certification data for those methods on the product insert. Again, a widely applicable product. You can actually use it for a total coliform by plate count, fecal coliform by plate count, or E. coli by Quantitrade 2000. In addition to the certification data we generate internally, we also provide acceptance limits derived from proficiency test studies conducted over a 10-year period of time. As we provided technical support over the years, we realized that there were certain elements in the packaging that we could incorporate into the product to make it unique and make it more controllable and more precise over time. And so our packaging concept actually has a lot of thought that went into it. When you receive the products from us, what you'll receive is a complete package set that takes out variables in your sample preparation and analysis. The styrofoam cooler is a 48-hour cooler with 2 ice packs, so it'll maintain the low temperature that's required to maintain viability for up to 48 hours, just in case the shipping company doesn't deliver in time or the product sits outside the freezer for a couple of days. When you receive the product, inside the cooler, there is a freezer-safe box that houses the actual samples. The samples sit in this tray that holds them so they won't fall out, and you can actually just take this and store it in your freezer. One unique characteristic about the MicroGel line is that it's remarkably easy to prepare. It's a 15-minute one-step process after you get the samples out of the freezer and let them equilibrate to room temperature. What you actually do is, once it's equilibrated to room temperature, is unscrew the cap. The culture is the colored disc that resides on top of a cotton plug inside the vial. Take the sample, open up the supplied sterile hydration fluid, and all you have to do is invert and tap the culture right into the phosphate buffer, close it up, swirl it, and allow it to sit on your bench top for 15 minutes at room temperature. After 15 minutes, it will completely dissolve, and you mix it by inversion several times like this, and you're ready to perform your analysis. Now, like we said before, the formulation of this pellet is between 1,000 and 1,200 CFU or MPN. What's convenient about that is if you're using Quantitrade 2000, no dilution is required. All you do is take your 100 ml sample, add the colorant reagent, and pour it directly into the sealer tray and proceed with your analysis. One step, no mistakes, it's very quantitative. If you're using a plate count method, you would use about 10 mils of this to get adequate countable plates. So again, a very unique product, fast to use, maintains its viability for up to a year, and is economical to use. Thank you very much.